my loves, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, I'm not going to be with you guys for a long time today. I'm just going to show you my little flip through of the week of last week, actually, and what I was up to, what I documented, and what we're going to be doing for the next few days, because I did document in here the next few days videos that we're going to be working with together. Okay, so before I get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, make sure you guys like my channel, and make sure that you guys are all really ready to do a lot of junk journaling next week. I'm super excited. We're going to be doing tons of junk journaling next week. We're going to be coming up with a lot of embellishments together. We're going to be doing a lot of beautiful things for our junk journal and for our memory keeping. So I have a lot of things that I am going to be working with you guys that I already have planned. So how are you guys doing with your scrapbooking? Let me know at the bottom of this video how everything is coming along with this challenge. Are you finding it easy? Are you finding it hard? Are you finding yourself consistent? Is it something that's maybe working for you? Let me know. I really want to know at the bottom of this video and see your comments. Okay, my loves? Now, for me, it's been working really awesome. I have been very consistent. I've missed a few days here or there, but other than that, I think I've been doing pretty good with this challenge, and I'm really surprised, I have to say, that I have been doing super good with it. Okay, so let's get to it. No more talking. I have a few videos that I want to record after this video, so I want to kind of like have all my junk journaling videos ready for you guys for next week. Okay, so the 22nd of June, which I believe is a Monday. I don't have my, let me check. I want to say it's a Monday, but I don't know. Let me double check. Yes, I am correct. Monday. I wanted to make sure because sometimes I screw up with these days. So Monday, I journaled a little bit about this yummy candy that I am super obsessed with. I love having some of these really yummy, creamy, filled caramel candies. And I kind of like had like a whole thing about it on Monday. I was really mad with myself because I literally had like the whole bag. I can't have these candies around me because I eat the whole freaking bag. And so I kind of journal a little bit about that here. And I tried these new candies that I purchased for a project that I'm doing. And so I just kind of like put down a little bit of the wrapping over here because I thought the coloring was so cute. I kind of like this coloring with this coloring. It kind of looks really like pretty. I don't know. So I kind of just journal a little bit about that. Okay, the next day, the 23rd. This is what I'm talking about. So the next few days, I have been doing a lot of junk journaling embellishments for our tutorial that I'm going to be releasing to you guys next week. So this day, I put together these really beautiful, let me, hold on one second. Let me show you because I do have them here. Let me show you what I have. I should have had all this ready. And I said that this is not going to be a long video. And of course I lied because, you know, who am I not to like follow my own rules, right? You guys know me. I don't like any rules. Okay. Let me just, now this was nice and neat and now it's a mess. Okay, that's okay. So on the 23rd, I started to work with these really beautiful embellishments that we're going to be doing together. Don't worry. I know. Don't worry. We'll do them together. So I worked with these embellishments and I thought they turned out so beautiful. And so I'm going to be doing a video showing you guys how I put this together. Very simple, you know, process using some really fun papers. That's literally all it is. Okay. The next day, I put together some other embellishments using these really beautiful, I don't know what these are, like tickets, little embellishments, and I put some really fun birds in the front, and I put some nice little knickknacks here and there. I used these beautiful over here. I used a lot of these cutout birds to make the embellishments, and I also am going to do a video showing you guys how to do this next week. I'm trying to contemplate whether I should do a video every day, or I don't know. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna get tired of me if I post videos every day. I'm not sure. I really don't know how I want to do this. I know I want to do a few videos, but I'm not sure if I should post them the same day. I should post them every other day. I'm not really sure how to go about doing that, but we'll see. We'll figure it out. This is another day. On the 25th, I also pulled out some of these beautiful, gorgeous floral little cards, and we are also going to be working on this. I haven't done any embellishments using these, but I will be doing them shortly with you guys. The next day, again, we made some really fun embellishments, and I created these. And so we're also going to be making these together. I didn't document a lot of stuff because I was really busy last week doing a lot of different things. I'm also doing some projects for my other channel, so I'm kind of a little bit busy with doing a lot of stuff, but I didn't want to document something in here. So I figured, well, if I'm busy doing this and I really love the way these turned out, might as well just document it in here so I can at least have a little bit of record of it. So that's what I did. I just put a little bit of the birdie over here. I used this vellum like kind of envelope, and inside the envelope I kind of used these really beautiful doilies that I had like left over from like another project that I did, and I kind of glue it in here, and I just thought it was really pretty. I love the way it turned out, and the colors are very like shabby chic kind of. Yeah, I love that. Okay, the next day I did nothing. This day I literally just was so exhausted because I have been doing so many like little projects here and there. I was exhausted. I did nothing. And so all I wound up doing was getting these like little words from magazine clippings, and I just wound up gluing them down, and that's literally what I did. I didn't do anything else. Okay, so yes, Jenny does have those days when I do nothing and I'm just like, what in the world just happened? We all have those days. Don't beat yourself up. Just go with the flow. Find something that you can document, or even just document how you feel, and then just, you know, the next day I'm pretty sure it'll be a better day. Okay, so the following day I documented having these delicious yummy ice cream, of course, my favorite. And so I had one, maybe two of these that day, and I kind of documented a little bit of it. I thought it was fun to just do that. Sometimes you don't know what to document, right? Because I get into those moods when sometimes I don't really know what to document, but like simple things like this can really make a huge difference in your spreads. And it's just a paper wrap from an ice cream, okay? And that's literally all. I did nothing else. I literally did nothing else. That's all I did. I tell you the truth, I have been doing a lot of really fun projects that I have been really trying to like kind of put together. I also did these really pretty, I didn't show you, but I did these really pretty butterfly embellishments. They're so simple to make, but I just love how they turn out and how you can use them in so many different other projects, yeah, besides junk journaling. And so I'm also going to do a tutorial for you guys on how to make these flowers. But I'm excited because I have like one thing that I am really trying to put together, which is a fully loaded tag, and I really want to do that video like next. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have a lot of ideas. I have been really creative, like bringing in a lot of ideas, and I'm really just loving that like space that I'm in. So I'm really excited to share with you guys. So okay, I think we're done for now. Yeah, I think it's enough excitement for today. Oh, and by the way, I stopped by Walmart and I picked up this amazing, lovely, beautiful marker. I don't even know if I have these markers, but I'll be honest with you, I saw this like mothy color and I fell in love. So I don't know, we'll see. I had to pick that up, and I picked it up because there was only 2 left. So all right, my loves, I'll see you guys next week. Make sure you stick by so you can see more of these wonderful little projects that we're going to do together. Make sure you subscribe, okay? And make sure that you leave me a comment at the bottom of this video letting me know that you are ready to start scrapbooking and doing junk journaling stuff for next week. Yeah? 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 Okay. I love you all, and I'll see you soon. Bye.